Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster. Killer car, guys. It's a factory color combination. It's Milano maroon. It's got the black interior. Nice car. It is an older restoration. It's got 16,000 miles on it. The nice thing about that, you know, it's proven. You know, the car runs and drives good, and it really does. This car hits the road real good. Very impressed with it when I took it out. Dale's driven it a couple of times now, and first thing he said is, "Man, does that car hit the road good?" It's out of Kentucky. Like I say, it's an older resto, but very well maintained. A lot of your chrome and stainless and trim is actually original to the car. Like I say, very nice driver. Not a whole lot to really nitpick in the paint. Like I say, the bumpers, you can see a few little marks in the bumpers. The paint is, like I say, very nice. There's a couple of little touch-up marks. I'll try to point out as we go around it. Pretty car, though. Matching numbers, 327 car. Matching numbers, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Like I said, I believe a lot of this stuff is actually original. Like I said, I've driven this one a couple of times now. Really does hit the road good. Again, you can kind of nitpick these bezels, but they're original. Both sides. I love the knockoff wheels and the side exhaust. To me, that's 4-speed knockoff wheels and side exhaust ought to be standard on a mid-year. I love the sound. I love the way they look. Again, original bumper. This is the way I think I'd like these cars equipped. Just a little dust there, guys. I've been buying more and more of these. I'll tell you one thing that I think is cool. A lot of the guys that are buying these cars from me now are a little bit younger. Nothing wrong with the older fellows, but the one thing I will say, these guys are driving them, which I think is super cool. A lot of, I hate to say it, but my dad's age, when my dad was alive, he'd buy these things and park them in the garage and never drive it. Where now these guys are buying them and driving them. Matching numbers, 327, 300 horse. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner on it, the correct chrome piecing over your distributor, stock Rams horn exhaust manifolds. Does have the Harrison radiator in it. It's also got your Harrison overflow tank. Matching numbers, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. These cars are 4-wheel disc brakes. Oh, sorry. Getting a little ahead of myself. You can go ahead, Jordy. You go ahead and start to pull that up so we can show it to him. There's a little mark in there on your dash. It's got a tan top. That's new, or it's newer. They replaced it when they restored it. Hold on one second. Leave it down up for 1 second. I'm just going to show them this trim. Mirrors are nice. That 8-pillar chrome is really nice. Original door handles. I just don't want to lose my place here, Jordy. I believe a lot of the a lot of the interior is actually original. Like I say, they did replace the top. You can go ahead and put that back now, Jordan, and I'll shoot the interior. I love the sports steering wheel in there. All the gauges and everything work. You can see the seats are nice. 16,692 on your odometer. That's supposed to be since the car's been restored. Tach and gauges all work. Even the clock in there works. The radio works. I believe the original owner's manual's in the glove box. I ordered the Stingray floor mats for it. Like I say, just a really good car, guys. That's your original emblem. Car is nice and clean underneath. You can tell the car's never been banged up or hit. The dog legs on the car, which is where these cars have a tendency to rust, are nice and clean. There was a touch-up mark. Shoot, I think it's on this door. Yeah, somewhere here I thought there was a touch-up mark, but like I say, there's a couple of them on the car. Can't remember what it was, Jordan. I thought it was on the door there. Show you this. A few little marks there in your seat. Good car. You can see the carpet's nice back there. Again, the A-pillar chrome's nice. It'll put it in there. Well, you just gotta love the way these things sound. All work, tach works. Turn that radio on. Radio works, blower motor works. Work really nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Those are just great cars right there. Just iconic. Looks like brand new rubber all the way around it. Love that sound. Well, you look good in there, Jordy. Holy traffic. Have a great day, guys.